Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tyanna and welcome. So I got a request to teach you guys how to play La Vie en la Rose on the ukulele a couple months ago actually, but I'm so sorry I didn't read the comments till recently. But here I am with another tutorial and I hope you guys like it. If you didn't see the cover already, I'll link it somewhere here or in the description, and then you guys can go and watch it just to like listen to how it is I play it. But for now, like always, let's just jump right into it and yeah. So the first chord was the G chord. We'll call these strings like 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for simplicity. And so there will be one finger on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, a finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it'll look like this and it'll sound like this. Oh yeah. And next we have the G major 7 chord, and that chord is pretty simple as well. What you're going to be doing is having all 3 fingers on the last 3 strings on the 2nd fret. So it'll sound like this. So for the E minor chord, you're going to place one finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, a finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then another finger on the 2nd string, 4th fret. So in total, it should sound like this. So we have something called open. Pretty much you have no fingers on any of the frets on any of the strings. And then we'll have the D chord, which looks like the G major 7 chord. You know how the G major 7 looks like this, right? So you're kind of just shifting everything one string over. So you're gonna have 3 of your fingers on the 2nd fret for the first 3 strings. So it sounds like this. And then lastly, or second to last, you have the D7 chord. So it's the D, but you're gonna add your pinky on the 3rd fret, 4th string. So it sounds like this. Lastly, we have the C chord. We're gonna have everything open, but have a finger on the 3rd fret, last string. Like that. Before we begin, the way that I'm playing this song, if you hear it from the cover, is that I'm doing a mix of plucking and strumming. I'm plucking the 2nd string, then the 3rd string, then the 4th string, the 3rd string again, 2nd string, then the 3rd string. And then I repeat that pattern over and over again, so it sounds like this. Yeah, so after you guys like practice that for a couple of times, I guess we'll jump into the song now, like with the chords. In the description, I put an asterisk next to the parts that need to be strummed. So when I mean strumming, I mean just like one strum down all the way through all the strings. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys, and now we'll jump into the parts with the chords. Okay, so the introduction goes like this. So this will be the first part. Hold me close and hold me fast, this magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Roses. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie en Roses. Yeah, so that'll be part 1, and again, like just pause it, practice it, and then when we're ready, we'll just jump into part 2. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world of roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and the whole song. Pretty simple, right? It's really short. I think this song is only like a minute and a couple seconds. So again, please practice it, pause it, do whatever you need, and when you guys are done with that, we'll play it all together now. Okay, you guys ready? Hey guys, so I guess you did it. You play La Vie La Rose on the ukulele, and I hope that it was clear and easy for you guys to understand. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and let me know what you like and you didn't like from this video so I can improve. Past comments said I talk too much, so I try to cut that out in the beginning so we can get straight into it. If there's other songs you want me to try to teach you, then please let me know as well. I'll do my best and my hardest to try to get that for you. It's been a crazy time, as you all know, but I hope that despite everything that's happening, you guys are taking the time to learn more music as I am also. And yeah guys, until the next tutorial, bye!